Good afternoon, y'all. Today's car wash video comes by request. And today I'll be checking out the XL car wash here in Longview, Texas. Oh, good, no lines. Or XL Express Wash. I'm not sure what the actual name is. I think it's just XL Car Wash. Okay, and here are your wash options. We're gonna do the 18 cents. I don't need to spend $5 extra just for the wax and the seal, really. 18 is really the best value wash. Honk for assistance. That was weird. I'm back. The actual touchscreen is like so far from the actual screen, it's kind of wonky. So we're gonna do the 18 for the works. No, I'm not doing that. Okay, just for kicks? Okay. So they really want you to upgrade from that. Okay. Good. Alright, I'm gonna pay me a 20. So these tunnel watches, if I use cash, and I can get cash back as change, which comes in handy at the in-bay washes. Gave me a dollar coin that time. Alright, y'all, here we go. Windows up. We have a Belanger tunnel. That was pretty easy. Here we go. Kind of dark in this one. I know it's one of the older tunnels in Longview, but it's definitely not bad. Okay, let me shoot a curtain and crank up the exposure. like just let it roll off. Now I'm off. I can just put it in drive. Yeah. So yeah, that wash wasn't actually too bad. Yeah, he has some few little spots here. But yeah, the other ways for vacuums, but pretty basic location. Not too bad, and we're gonna go check out another tunnel today. So without further ado, that'll be it for this video.